Danny the WWE Dalmatian by Rosie Mulligan for Ben. Once there was a dog called Danny. He's a Dalmatian and he has won 10 gold medals in WWE. He wrestles with other dogs, but he has never been beaten before. One day, he had a WWE match and he wasn't scared at all. So at 3 o'clock, he went into his limo and they drove off. He went into the building with his manager, Paul the Pug, and sat in his dressing room, and suddenly, bang, the door came crashing down. "Ah!" shouted Danny and Paul. The person who kicked the door down was Cassie Cap, Danny's enemy in WWE. "Hello," said Cassie. "Why did you kick the door down?" shouted Danny. "I just wanted to say hi and good luck today," said Cassie. "Wait, you aren't the person I'm fighting today," said Danny, confused. "Yes, I am. The other guy couldn't make it, so they called me in to do it," said Cassie. "Oh no, Cassie's the best fighter in the world," thought Danny. "Okay, bye now," said Cassie in a mysterious voice, and walked away. "Paul, I don't think I can do this. Cassie is so good at WWE," said Danny in a scared voice. "Yes, you can. I know you can do it, and even if you don't win, it's still okay to lose when you try your best," said Paul. "Okay, I'll try my best." "Thanks, Paul." At 6 o'clock, they both got in the ring. Cassie was smiling evilly at him. Then the fight began. "Ah!" Cassie was chasing him around, throwing punches and kicks at him. Danny was so scared. In the end, Cassie won by 50 points. "Oh, I've never been beaten before," said Danny sadly. "Remember what I told you, you don't always have to win," said Paul. "I know," said Danny. Then Cassie came over, but instead of looking evil as she always does, she looked happy. "Hey, well done today and hard luck," she said. "Why are you being nice to me?" said Danny. "I realized I was very mean to you before and that wasn't nice, so I wanted to come over and say I'm sorry," said Cassie. It's okay," said Danny. "Do you want to come to my house and have a chat and some lunch?" asked Cassie. "Okay," said Danny. A few hours later, they were at Cassie's house. She was eating some fish and Danny was having some dog food. They had a chat and got to know each other, and from that day on they were best friends. They went to each other's fights and trained with each other, and some days go out shopping and do other things together. The end. Or is a salmon or cake feather and carrot cake? Tá sé after factor dead go craig a medal in Irda. Sigmar Tigra craig go shot the trunk cast. Tá sé after the shot the new the in Irda. Tá sé after the craig go cake shot the carrot in Irda. Fosn Sint Egra Lila Derfon Gachblin. Tá 3 days spaces then. Tá sé ábhar a bheith seachtar in Irda. Tá carrot go 8 spaces. Tá sé ábhar a bheith in Irda. Cosán. Tá sé ábhar a bheith céad in Irda. Tá sé ábhar a bheith 2 go 8 bliain d'aois. Galcanal. Tá galcanal ábhar a bheith 2 go 5 in Irda. Tá as dealaí 2 bliain.